can't go back and change the beginning, but you can start where you are to change the end.
So I mentioned you were all alone. I could feel the trouble coursing through your veins. Now I know.
This quote comes from C.S. Lewis.
Just a phone call after announcing them is sparking up. These cigarettes won't
What C.S. Lewis meant is, what has happened already in the past has already happened. You cannot change anything about it. But you can start from where you are right now, so that you change the things in the future and how the story of your life will end. Many times in our life, we have a lot of regrets. And this quote is surely about regret. We regret about what has happened in the past, the mistakes you have made, what you forgot to do, what other people did to you that you would have counter-reacted and you did not, choices that you made wrongly and left out the good ones. Countless regrets we do in life. But C.S. Lewis is telling us that you don't need to regret about the past or the beginning. Just start from where you are. Do it right. Stick to the point and goal or target. Then in the end, you're most likely to change the future in the end of your story. Thank you very much, C.S. Lewis.